Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this New Year's Eve look. This look took me a very long time to do. I started this at 10 o'clock this morning and it is now just 12. So it took me about 2 hours to do this look. It was very challenging for me. I think what challenged me the most was just cutting my crease with the eyeshadow, but we made it work. We made it through. So I really hope that you guys like this New Year's Eve look. A glittery look. I used this Milani liquid shadow. This is the Hypnotic Lights holographic eye topper. I used this here and this is so pretty. It's very reflective and it's multiple colors. I really love it. And yeah, so if you want to see this look, how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I went into my Dose of Colors Big Brown palette and I took that tan shade and I'm applying this in my transition area because we're going to go in, you guys will see in a second, I'm going to go in with a darker shade to really draw out my crease. And now to draw my crease, I am taking that dark brown shade from the palette, but I sprayed it with some setting spray. I got this trick from I Love Sahadi, and you spray the brush and it kind of makes it like a liner and it makes it so much more easier to blend and so much more easy to apply it. And I'm doing this with a very thin pencil brush, and this is like my 5th try. Like, you guys have no idea. I was trying so hard with this look. This was a very difficult look for me because I never really do cut creases, but this look was very challenging, but I'm glad I did it because I like to try new things. But yeah, I'm going very slow with this. I'm doing very light strokes. Now, because my eyes have like this fold and my eyes go downwards, I have to be careful with the way I draw and the way I cut my crease. I had to kind of extend it upwards because my eyes naturally go downwards, if that makes sense. So yeah, this took a lot of work and a lot of time. And also blending is very important with this look. I really had to go back and blend the line, until it looked the way I wanted it to look. It's still, you're gonna see it's gonna like come together at the end, but I really had to blend a lot. And that same tan shade we went in at first, I'm using that to kind of carve out where I'm going to put that glitter shade. I just used it as a base. And then I went in with that beautiful Milani holographic liquid eyeshadow, and it is in the shade, well, it's called Hypnotic Lights, but it's in the shade Beaming Light. I'm not sure if they still make this, but this shade is just so gorgeous. So to clean that up, I actually took some concealer and then I wanted it to really be sharp and to look like a sharp edge and very sharp. So I took concealer at the top and the bottom and then I concealed it. But then I accidentally put some concealer on top of the brown, so I had to go back in with it. But again, guys, it is a process and it takes time. This is a learning experience for me. I'm not a professional, but this look just took a lot of going back and fixing it and stuff and just getting it to look the way I wanted it to. For primer, I'm taking the Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer. I've been really loving this primer by Rare Beauty. I've been using it almost every single day. It's a really good primer. And then for foundation, I'm taking the Sephora Best Skin Foundation. Now I'm going to go with concealer. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Brighten Up Concealer pen, and I'm taking the Too Faced concealer as well, just to brighten up under my eyes and the highlight areas of my face. Now I'm taking the Catrice HD setting powder and I'm just going to set the areas of my face where I applied concealer. To bronze up my skin, I'm taking the Sephora Bronzed powder, and I'm just adding some warmth. And to set the rest of my face where I didn't apply bronzer or setting powder, I'm just going in with a skin tone powder and just setting the rest of my face. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photofocus powder and just setting the rest of my face. I also applied blush and highlight, but for whatever reason I can't find the clip, but here I'm just fixing up the crease and the wing and just really just adding those finishing touches on the eye look. Off camera, I applied lashes. I have the Ardell lashes, but I only applied it on the outer portion of my lashes. So I cut the lashes in half and I only took the half and applied it towards the outer part of my lashes. And here I'm just going in with a gel eyeliner and just lining my waterline, and I tight lined with it as well. And I also used the Rare Beauty mascara. And I'm just smudging my lower lash line with the shadows that I used. And then to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm taking the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter. That's the highlighter I used in my face as well. To line my lips, I'm taking the NYX Suede lip liner in Downtown Abbey, and then I'm taking the Revolution Makeup lipstick in Cashmere, and I'm going to top all of that with the Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss in Divina. Oh no, I think it's Coqueta. But that is it for this makeup tutorial, this New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year's to you and your family, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye!